Hello student. Today we see about total WBC count, or it is also called total leukocyte count. So why is TLC done? Total leukocyte count test is performed as a part of complete blood cell count means CBC test in regular health checkup to help diagnose infections and inflammation, to help diagnose conditions that decrease WBC count like bone marrow disorder, to monitor bone marrow functions, to monitor chemotherapy treatment. For WBC count, we required microscope, hemocytometer. In previous video, we see the new hemocytometer consists Neubauer chamber and WBC pipette. Then WBC diluting fluid. WBC diluting fluid contains glacial acetic acid 2 ml, 1% Johnson violet 1 ml and distilled water 97 ml. Now role of this glacial acetic acid hemolysis RBCs to easy count of WBC. Then Johnson violet lightly stain the nuclei of WBC. Blood specimen can be collected in editable or double oxalate bulb or even by finger prick also. So mostly editable sample is important for the TLC. Then procedure. First, to collect the blood sample under the aseptic precaution and to fill the pipette. Dip the pipette tip well in blood drop. Then draw the blood until the blood columns reaches to 0.5 mark exactly. If excess quantity has been taken, then touch the tip of pipette on the cotton in your palm till the blood column stand at a 0.5 mark. Then wipe off the tip of pipette, dip well into diluting fluid and suck the fluid till the mark 11 is reached. Detach the rubber tube from pipette and mix the content by carefully rolling the pipette between the palms of your hands. So the contents and mix the contents of pipette and wait for 5 minutes. Discard few drops and let the contents of pipette flow into Neubauer counting chamber under the cover slip. Take care that there will be no air bubbles. Then wait for 2 to 3 minutes so that the cells will settle down. Focus under the low power and concentrate on the 4 corner square because these 4 corner squares are used for WBC count. Each square will be contain 16 small square. Count the cells in all 4 squares. WBC will be appear as a small dark blue round cells. Then calculations. Number of white cell counted in all 4 squares is noted as a N. Then dilution of fluid 1 in 20. Area counted is a 4 square millimeter and depth of chamber is 1 by 10 millimeter or 0.1 millimeter. Therefore, number of WBC counted per cubic millimeter is equal to N upon dilution of fluid, area counted into depth of chamber. Sometimes the formula will be written as a N into dilution factor. Factor means dilution of fluid is 1 by 20. So here we written only 20. So it is known as a dilution factor. So last figure is come out N into 50 per cubic millimeter. So this is the calculation method of WBC count. Normal range. In adult it is 4000 to 10,000 per cubic millimeter and in children 4,500 to 13,500 per cubic millimeter. Clinical significance. When the WBC count is increased more than the upper normal range, means 10,000 per cubic millimeter, then it is known as a leukocytosis. If it is decreased than the normal range, means the 4,000, then it is known as a leukopenia. So these two main clinical significance, leukocytosis and leukopenia. Cytosis means increase and penia means decrease. Then we see about the leukocytosis. Causes of leukocytosis. There are two causes, physiological and pathological. Physiological means due to age, pregnancy, high temperature and muscular exercise. In that condition, the WBC count is increased. Age, at the birth, total leukocyte count is about 18,000 per cubic millimeter, but it drops gradually to the adult levels. Pregnancy, at full term, the total counts increase 12,000 to 15,000 per cubic millimeter, but rises soon after the delivery and then gradually returns to normal. In high temperature, severe pain, it is increased. Muscular exercise, also it is increased. Pathological condition, in any infection, it is increased. The degree of rise in leukocyte depend on the type and severity of infection response of body. Infection due to bacterial, viral, protozoa, parasitic leukocytosis occur. Also, it is observed in severe hemorrhage and leukemia. So, these are the pathological condition where the leukocytosis are seen. Leukopenia. Leukopenia means decrease the leukocyte count than the 4,000 per cubic millimeter. Causes of leukopenia. Uh, Infection like a typhoid, paratyphoid, tuberculosis can cause the leukopenia. In malaria, leukopenia occur. In some cases of leukemia can cause the leukopenia or plastic anemia or secondary bone marrow depression due to drugs, radiation can cause leukopenia. Anemia means iron deficiency anemia, megaloblastic anemia can cause the leukopenia. So these different conditions of leukopenia. Sometimes in calculation, we see some errors. So sources of errors, one is false high counts and false low counts. False high counts due to inadequate wiping of pipette, means the inadequate blood sample or diluting fluid wipe of pipette. Improper pipetting of blood and also diluting fluid. Improper mixing. Uneven distribution in the counting chamber. Uneven cell distribution in the counting chamber. Dirt, dust particle, sometimes RBC can be counted as a white cells, and errors in calculation also in typing. So these are the sources of error where the high counts are false high counts are missing. Then false low count, improper pipetting of blood and diluting fluid, improper mixing of blood and diluting fluid, dilution of contents in the pipette by saliva, uneven distribution in the counting chamber, errors in calculation typing. Thank you, student.